Welcome to week 9. I do have to say, and I haven't said this before, this might be the luckiest class I've ever had. A lot of you are thinking, why are we so lucky? Well, the way the holiday falls for July 4th, you have an extra week to complete your legal research paper. So, when you look at things, we're on week 9. However, we don't have school next week because it's a holiday. And you don't have to submit your paper until the week after. So everything that's due for this chapter is not due till the week after. So legal research project is not due till 7/11. I'm not talking about the gas station. I'm talking about the date. So it's not due till 7/11. That gives you more time. And if you have any questions along that period, you can always reach out to me. I'm still going to be working next week. So just because we have a break doesn't mean I'm not going to be answering emails and such. So just reach out. Take your time on that paper and review the material that I uploaded because it's really important. If you do that, you'll do fine. Be sure it's an APA format. A lot of people forget about this. APA is really important. You got to know how to do it. But I don't foresee any challenges. You guys are really bright. You're doing a great job so far. I've really appreciated working with you. If you need anything, please let me know. I appreciate everything. And welcome to week 9. 2-week period to submit your paper. Thanks so much.